In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find browsing history on Temu. This is a handy tool if you want to revisit products you've looked at or just keep track of your browsing habits. Let's dive right in and make sure you know exactly how to access this feature without any confusion. First and foremost, you'll want to navigate to your dashboard on Temu. Once you're logged in, take a careful look around the display. This is your control center for all things related to your account and activities. Among the various options and menus, you'll find one labeled Browsing History. Click on that and you'll be on your way. This section is specifically designed to provide a comprehensive record of all the items you've clicked on or viewed during your session. It's like a digital memory bookmark for all your browsing adventures on Temu. You might find that it resembles other browsing histories on various platforms. So, if you're familiar with those, you'll feel right at home. Once you've clicked on Browsing History, it's time to explore what's been captured. Here, you'll see a detailed list of all the products you've interacted with. This list shows you each item and records the exact time you viewed the product. It's not only a convenient way to retrace your steps, but also a fantastic feature to help you keep track of what caught your eye. If you're an avid browser, this can be especially useful to ensure you don't lose track of interesting finds. Maybe there's something you saw earlier that you just can't get out of your mind, but you didn't remember to save it or add it to your cart at the time. This history log allows you to quickly relocate those items and make any decisions you might have been mulling over. As you navigate through your browsing history, you might want to consider organizing how you use it. Perhaps make a habit of checking it regularly to ensure you're staying updated on what you've been looking at or even to reacquaint yourself with items you found appealing. It's a straightforward yet powerful tool that provides an extra layer of efficiency to your online shopping experience on Temu. To wrap things up, accessing your browsing history on Temu is a simple yet effective way to manage your browsing experience. It enhances your ability to revisit items effortlessly and ensures that your shopping journey is as smooth and informed as possible. Whether you're a frequent shopper or just browsing leisurely, this feature is bound to be a significant asset for better shopping management. Thank you for watching and happy browsing on Temu. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more insights and tips in the future.